Xiaomi TV versus TCL. Which one is better? I'm going to tell you how Xiaomi TV and TCL compare so you can pick the best one. Xiaomi TV focus on affordability and smart features, running patch wall OS with Google TV integration. They offer good picture quality with Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, and decent refresh rates. But they prioritize software over premium display tech. TCL TVs are known for their better display quality, especially in QLED and Mini LED models, offering higher brightness, better contrast, and smoother motion handling. They also support Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, and some models even have 120Hz refresh rate, making them better for gaming and movies. So which is better? If you want a budget-friendly smart TV with deep Android integration, Xiaomi is a solid choice. But if you want a better picture quality, performance, and gaming features, TCL is the better option.